Hi everyone, welcome to Online Calculus. I'll be recording a few short videos to get you oriented. So I'm starting with BlackBoard. So there are a couple of things that are available. So there's going to be some announcements, and then you can go under content and there are a few links. So right here there's a syllabus. Um, if you click on it, there's going to be a Word document which details, how to find me and all that other stuff. There's a registration handout for the My Lab, which is a big part of the course. So you should register ASAP. I urge you to initially register for free 14-day access, okay, while you're making sure that this is a good fit for you. And then lastly, is a Google Drive shared folder. I may be adding some other links here, things like access to Zoom office hours and other things. But for now, I just wanted to take you through the Google Drive. So we'll go back there in a second, but there's some other things here. There's a discussion board. We will have sort of weekly forums for discussions. Mostly what we'll do is I'll post some questions for you by the end of the week. So somehow, I'll post them early in the week, but they're due your first entry is due like roughly a Friday midday. So you'll come here and answer some questions and add your paper homework entries here, right? So I'll explain in another video or another document exactly how to do this. But for now, we just have a couple of forums. One is week one, let's get oriented, and the second one is a suggestion box. This is an anonymous one where you can put anything if you're unhappy with something or if you like something. I would appreciate your comments. So for now, we have about how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students have chimed in. We have 25 students, and of course, I hope by the end of the week everybody is here so we can at least get to know each other a little bit. We'll be working in groups later on, so this is gonna serve you well, right? Okay, now let's go back out of here. So this is if you click on this blue line, it opens up this navigation. Now go back to content. So this is sort of the most important part. The reason I'm doing it like that is that Blackboard is going to be phased out. So I'm trying to put my materials in one spot. So this opens up a Google Drive. You have to be logged in using your main.edu Google account. So if you don't see the right credentials here, right, so you see this is my photo, Yelena Shvets at main.edu. Say, if you were trying to log in using a different account, like I have my private Gmail, you would not actually get access to this because I only shared it with UMaine. So you need to go back, log out, and log back in as the right person. Okay, so as long as this corner has the right credentials, you're going to be fine. And then here, there's pretty much the same information. There's the syllabus. There's that same registration handout. And in addition, there's something very useful for you here. So this is a master of everything that we have. Right now, so I have all the weeks laid out. So the week of January 21st, right? So we're going to do just one section this week. As we're getting to know each other. Due on discussion board on Friday at noon, there's this exercise, okay? So I will make it available. I have to ponder it a little bit. I might make it like a group activity, so I'll ask you to discuss this in groups. So your contributions. Now, the way it's going to be handled is that this part is done on paper, Okay, so please write your solutions by hand on paper. Make all the graphs and everything that's being asked of you on paper, and then you can just photograph it and move it into up to the forum. Okay, so we'll just be discussing this now. Hopefully, we'll have at least like 25 entries for each week, and that's going to count for your participation. Now, at the end of the week, I'll make my solutions available, and I'll ask you to then go back over your paper submissions and check them against my solutions. And then you will bring a pile of this work to your exams, to your proctored exams, and I'll collect them at that time. Right. There'll be other questions in forums, in addition, some reflection, discussion type things. Okay. So this has everything is kind of laid out for the whole semester. Some people say it's a bit of an intimidating amount of work. So please start early. Don't start this on Friday. You should, start looking at this ASAP. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to close this out, and then inside here, there's some lecture notes already available, so you can have a look. We start in chapter 2. I have the dates, so I need to change the date. These are old dates. They go pretty much in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can go in. I'm planning to make some more videos, and I'll try to post. So my idea for now is to make the links to the video available inside these lecture notes. Let's see how it works. I'll let you know if we have to change. Okay, so that's a kind of a brief introduction. Eventually, I'll have more materials here available. There will be some folders related to your exams, and they'll be inside the shared folder. Okay, and then there'll be some review materials, and then sometimes we use these sandboxes where people solve problems, so we'll talk more about that. Okay, hopefully this is good, and do write to me if you need any more questions addressed, and I will return with some more videos. There's going to be a short one on how to use my lab.